Hi there, I'm Shirley Ryan and I'm talking to you today about my pendulum and communication board. I don't actually use the pendulum and communication board unless I'm looking for specific questions and answers that involve names or scientific data. Um, Typically, I just let things download into my psyche information that she wants to share with me. When I'm actually working with a pendulum and a communication board, we usually look for an acronym of 4 letters, and then once I get that, I look it up on the internet, and things is with me every minute, saying yes or no, or this doesn't work, or try again, or something. I'll provide a demonstration. I can't get the board and my hand at the same time in this particular shot, but I wanted to show you how still my hand is when things is working. So I'm resting my elbow, and she's now moving vertically at a yes, and she's now going to change to a no, and maybe a maybe. That's a vertical, you can't see that. Let's see if I can put that up. Yeah, I don't think you can see that, but it's moving vertically. Let's see if I can go like that. It's moving vertically. And now she's just simply laughing. I could feel that one coming up. She was laughing because I kept saying vertically and it was actually diagonally. Okay then, I hope to see you all when we do some live interaction with Thanes coming from the afterlife as an extraterrestrial who has passed over, and answer your questions about all things paranormal. Thank you.